just slightly press the front, and shockingly enough, this is really strong tape. He'll get 7 to 14 days out of this. When he showers, he doesn't even need to change this unless he chooses to. The majority of my clients shower the unit itself 3 times a week, sometimes more, but it's not necessary. And this tape is really on there. Now, once he's finished showering, he's going to lift the unit up here, and he'll just lightly dry around the front edge and press down. If anything is moving, it won't, but if it does, that's the way he will resecure the front. Well, on another video, we'll show you how to clean the under edge, but not today. Today, we're doing the cut-in on the second unit that Glenn has for this year. So the front's attached, right? So now we're going to go around to the back. And Glenn already knows this. He's a pro at this, so I'll just kind of proceed. We're going to position the hair unit and come all the way to the back edge, like so.